Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can order Cash Card on your Cash App account. All you need to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. First of all, you'll have to log in into your Cash App account. When logged into your account, you need to click on the card icon located in the bottom left corner of your screen, and in this page you'll need to tap on Get Free Cash Card, which is right at the bottom. After you do that, next interface will be able to see a variation of a card. You can pick a color of your card, and once you're done selecting it, tap on continue. So on the other interface, you need to tap on tap to customize, and you also need to toggle the switch. Once you do that, tap on next. So for the stamp, you need to give a signature. So after that, you need to enter the billing address. Once you're done entering it, tap on next. So for the confirmation, you need to enter your first and the last name that is associated to your Cash App account, and then tap on next. Next page, you have the detail of your cash card, so make sure to go through it and then tap on continue, and within 10 to 5 days you'll be receiving your cash card. So that is how you can order Cash Card on your Cash App account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.